Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by logging into Pokémon Showdown and opening your profile immediately. This gives you direct access to avatar controls. Once logged in, click your displayed username in the top right corner to reveal the profile menu. Make sure to select Profile rather than Lobby or Battle because the avatar selector lives in your profile pane. This step prepares the interface for change and prevents accidental edits elsewhere, so you can proceed quickly to pick an avatar without losing settings or leaving a match open. You now choose the desired avatar by clicking the current avatar or the Change Avatar button inside your profile. Once the gallery opens, browse categories to find official sprites, numbered avatars, or your own custom uploads if the server allows them. This categorization makes locating styles faster. After you pick one, use the preview to confirm size and visibility across chat and battle screens because some avatars crop differently. If it looks right, proceed to save so the change is applied across the site. You finish by clicking Save or Apply, which commits the avatar to your account. This step updates your display in chat and battles. Once done, refresh the page and open a battle or chat to verify the avatar appears consistently, because browser caching or server delay can show the old image temporarily. If the avatar does not update, clear your browser cache or try logging out and back in. If that fails, re-upload the image or choose a different numbered avatar. As a troubleshooting measure, you can complete immediately.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.